Matthews. This is a quick bonus video that we're gonna do that is honestly one of our favorite meals ever. It's the roast fish, Jamaican style on the grill. So the fish market did not scale the fish because they said their scaling services are out on a Sunday, and so it's my fault. I decided to go on a Sunday. So I have about 12 yellowtail snapper here with me, and I have to scale them. They are gutted, but I have to scale them, and then we're gonna jump right into this video on how to prepare the roast snapper.
The first step is to ensure that your fish is properly cleaned. Next, you want to remove any unnecessary scales. In my situation, I had to remove all the scales. To cut the rawness of the fish, you want to cut up a few pieces of lime or lemon, whichever one you have in your pantry, to go ahead and cut that rawness as I mentioned before. I even go as far as rubbing the lime all over the fish, in the fish, and this helps a whole lot.
Okay, so I spent a few minutes cleaning the fish, scaling the fish, all that good stuff. So now I'm just gonna show you guys how I season it because that's the good stuff, right? So I'm gonna just take one fish and do kind of like a full seasoning spread and all of that so you can see from start to finish how you want to season the fish for the best taste. And then we're going to go into what we add into the fish to enhance the flavor. All right, guys, I'm so excited. Sorry. All right, guys, so this is a whole snapper. You could tell it's fresh by the look of the eyes. It's not too cloudy. And I have 3 lines on both sides. This is going to help us enhance the flavor of the fish when we put the seasoning in. And then you look inside, it's already clean and nice and beautiful, ready to go. Okay, so for seasoning, we're just going to kind of mix the powdered seasoning together. And seasoning number 1 is the Maggi Season Up All-Purpose Seasoning. This is a staple for any of my fish dishes. I sometimes use the fish version, but this one does the job as well. I then use the garlic scallion allspice, and as you can see, I only have a little bit here, but this is by Jamaican Choice. Can't do without your black pepper. And so this time, usually I'll use salt and then garlic, but I have garlic salt, so I'm using just this version of it. Lastly, this is my seasoning of choice for the final kind of pizzazz. So it's the Grace Jamaican Jerk seasoning. I do hot because I love it to be spicy. That's Taylor in the back. Has all the seasoning, and then we get some jerk and we do the same thing. So you have dry seasoning and you have wet seasoning. Okay,
that's a lot of jerk.
Then
I don't have that much
the
jerk.
back, and this you're sticking it insides again all over the head. And then we are going to open it. Make sure everything gets some jerk seasoning. Now, if you don't like spicy, you could definitely go with the mild version of this jerk seasoning. But I'm telling you right now, if you forget the jerk seasoning on your fish, it's not gonna taste that great. It's not gonna taste that great. Okay. Everything's in there. All right, so now this fish is ready for stuffing. I'm gonna sit it to the side and I'll season all the other fish that's here and then get them ready to be stuffed. So let's go ahead and get our vegetable mix together. This is what we will be using to stuff the fish with. And we are using our Grace Callaloo. Make sure that you drain the water. You can even wash it off because it is chopped and you know, sealed in salted water. So if you want to get some of that salt off, you can definitely rinse it, which I do, and then drain it. So let's go ahead and put that in. Okay, so we have our Callaloo mix. And next, as you can see, I have some vegetables here that I already had pre-cut. So I have a little bit of onion that I pre-chopped. I'm gonna go ahead and drop that in there. Then I have some tomatoes, all right? Then I have a little bit of garlic. Just drop those garlic in there. And then I finely chopped the okra. And the last item on here is the Scotch bonnet. I only put one and just finely chop that, okay? And then the last thing you want to add in here, and the reason why I'm not putting all of this in right now is because sometimes you may not need all of it, so we'll see what I need to use it for. And then the last thing you add is any leftover powdered seasoning. And then you're going to go ahead and mix this all together. And this will be your stuffing, and I will show you guys once the fish is fully stuffed and topped with butter and ready for the grill. Okay guys, I'm back. All right, so I just finished mixing up the callaloo with all the onion and stuff.
What you got going on here?
And Babe just come back from the pool. I'm gonna let him be a test taster of this, okay? It's the mix.
But that tastes cooked like you could eat just so.
You taste the way tasting it. Tell me
There's
what you
callaloo.
Mm-hmm.
That tastes okra, onions, pepper. Oh.
Yeah. Scotch bonnet, yes.
Tomato.
Yes. The Scotch
It
bonnet
looks
hit,
so
right? The Scotch
yeah.
bonnet hit.
It's nice.
Tastes good, y'all. The flavor, really good. All right, so the day is getting ahead of us, so we're about to throw these on the grill. We're wrapping them up, throwing them on the grill so you can see what the finished product looks like. All right, so Babe is gonna continue to help me so I can move a little fast. So, you know, you can't really eat fish by itself, so he's quickly cutting up some sweet potato for me. And the sweet potato and yam is going on the grill as well. Are you gonna season those any particular way?
Not really, you know. Just a little bit of salt, garlic, pepper. Keep it real grill style, you know. With the natural flavors of the veggies and stuff come out. Cause you'd be surprised, you know. You try them, got a distinct taste. Or distinct purpose. So you ain't really want to downgrade it or add no extra to it. You know? Keep it the way it's supposed to be.
All right, look at that. He come and helped me do it so quickly. Quick, 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 2 twos, you're done.
You can't tell me what we do, where we go, how we dress. Me no coffee show, me and the stars, so me and the
This bad boy is stuffed all the way.
Real bad girl, son of boy can't try me. You no need donation, autonomous, can't try come program me. Can you never go a war, bring me sit down in a 2020 slavery. Then if you attack your business, who insecure that you're river. Watch your good, where you call that? We are one things that God do the.
All right, so Babe is going to show you guys if you want to roast your fish directly on the grill. We're going to show you how to do that with this wire rack here, but we're also going to show you it's
With
called
grill
the
topper.
grill topper. Okay.
Yes, that's right. Yeah. Right? Now if I'm going to start by here. Right? So then what we're gonna do now, take some more of this nice seasoning here. Right? A little bit of shea on top like so. A little bit of shea on top like so. A little bit of very chopped up earlier. Okay. I'm gonna put them in there too.
Some sweet potato and yam, okay.
So now what we do now is bend her in so. Alright. Feel like I got something stuff up a bit in here too. Extra something up in this side, feel jealous. Alright, so after we wrap so, we tuck it, like I said, like a burrito, right?
And this thing is highly bendable.
And we tuck it again. Alright. And then we tuck her again, right? Piece of the thing fall out down in there later. Stuff she back up in there. Alright, so we out here now, we at the grill. As you can see, we got set up, so remember, if you remember what the name of this was, what we got there.
Yam.
Yam, butter, sweet potato. We got a grill right here, we're gonna do the veggies on, and we got a fish back here. As you remember, one of these back here is a special mix up. So we had it warming up already. We just don't want to go out and have a cold grill. We get preheated, get the temperature inside there, go warm up already, right? So that's off this. Let's see, hot already. That's for our veggies. So we put on right now, let it get to the temperature as well. Alright. We got fish, so we're gonna start off here. And a wee bad boy, right? Trust you have that. Alright then.
Oh my gosh, guys. I can't wait to see what this one have in store for us. You see that flame under this though? Yes. With the flame, all the juices. Look at all the juices, guys. Look at all the juices. You want to put a coat of butter on that yet?
Not yet. Spray heat on. And then try our veggies and stick, alright?
You know, go hold my door. No, I'd rather be alone. Can't go hold me down. You can't tell me what we do, where we go, how we dress. Me no copy show. Me and the stars, so me and up on you do. Me wanna follow you. Me not switch up on man, arm like Roland. Back position, so no boy can't like Roland.
To that fire and make it just on the side. Alrighty guys, as you can see, the fish is now done.
My fish, Daddy. Why is Daddy the only one that's like fully grilled? Why is that? You could have done it.
Okay guys, you can see the fish looks so good. You can still see the steam.
Hold on, fella. Give it.
Is it hot?
Not that hot.
Yes, for this roast fish right here. Yes. Yes, guys. And then you just top it off with some butter. This smells so heavenly. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh
Hey, that's a
my
lot of butter
god.
there.
Oh my god.
I want some
Alright,
of
test
mine.
taste.
You can
Test
do the only
taste.
one that gets butter?
Test taste.
You know what you get when you do it like this?
What?
None of the seasoning or rubber.
Really?
Every season
Oh
that's on
my
it
gosh.
is roast into the fish.
Taylor, it's really good?
all of our fish.
Back up.
Watch out.
Oh
Watch
wow. Babe, the seasoning is like embedded in it.
Roast through the meat.
It's literally roasted through the meat.
And then there's your plate right here too as well.
Oh, yes.
This is delicious.
Yes, Lord.
Can I get mine
This is
now,
so
please?
good. Yes, Taylor, you can.
That looks
It's
good.
the one next to Daddy's.
Yeah.
So this is what I'm gonna try.
Against this Atlanta Hawks team. See these teams
Yes. The flavor, y'all.
This will taste good, man.
The flavor, Daddy, you winning right now.